Imagine you can make money out of your hobby. Imagine that your money came from what you love the most and not a tedious, horrible 9 to 5 office job that you do not like. Most people believe this is not possible because some people have weird, unusual habits and perhaps it's not possible or they believe it's not possible to monetize out of them. So I'm going to tell you something here. Everything is monetizable here. Everything. It doesn't matter if you like fishing, if you like spas, if you like to play the flute, if you like weird things. Everything is monetizable, and I'm going to explain to you why and how to do it. The first thing that you need is an audience, a group of people that like the same hobby that you like. You need other people who play the guitar or like flute. You gather those people, right? It could be 10 people, it can be millions of people. Once you have, your goal is to step number 2, take them into a platform, somewhere you control. You need to make a social media account. LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, email list, it doesn't matter. What platform you are going to ask me? Well, the platform that they use, open an account there. And the next thing that you need to do is you need to post content. You need to give value for free. Why? Because you are going to lower their risk and their fears. You are going to start showing that you are someone who can help them fix that problem. Step number 4, one problem and give one solution. If people have the problem of not knowing how to play the guitar and instructors are very expensive, become the instructor. Now, how can you do it cheaper? Perhaps an online course. That is a solution for a problem. So, an audience, send them somewhere you control, pick one problem and solve them. And how are you going to demonstrate that you can solve that problem? You are going to give a little try, a little sample of your solution for free. That is called the bait. And everyone does it. If you go into a website right now, you're going to see free coupons, free trials, free samples. Go to Costco or to a supermarket and they give you free food. Why? Because we don't buy things because what we believe, because we believe that's not going to help us, we believe we don't have a problem, and we don't want to give something away that is called money or time for something that is not going to help us. If they are helping us for free, then we have nothing to lose. So give your audience a little try of your solution. The next thing is passion. Always be you and put passion in what you do. Okay, your personality is what's going to make the difference, is what's going to motivate you, and it's what's going to make you stand out in the crowd. Okay, so never forget, put passion in what you do. And finally, start doing it more and more and more. The key is to be consistent, okay? To, post every day, to give solutions every day. Be out there always, so that when they are ready to buy from you, you are there. And then sooner or later, you are going to turn around and see that you are making more out of that hobby than from your 9 to 5 job. And then it's time to quit your job. But you will be having fun, you will be being yourself, you will be doing what you love. That's the most important. Me, for example, how did I apply these things to my business? My business is consulting. I really love doing business and I really love to help people. And I started doing it for my friends. I have a lot of journey in business, more than 10 years. And I started helping them for free because that's the key. When you have a hobby, you are doing it for free. You do your hobby for free. So your business should be about something that you will do for free. And me, for example, was giving business advice. And the sooner or later, I became a consultant. and I love to do it. I started giving free samples, free advice for anyone, and now I monetize that. So if you want to learn how to turn your hobby and your passion into a successful business, we have a community in which we help people do that. And that community is on Facebook. You can join, is the link below here. Join anytime that you want, is free, and we can help you there turn your passion into your business. If you want to learn, for example, how to sell more and how to be successful with sales, I have a video here that I did the other day in which I explained how successful companies do it and how to monetize more and grow your sales. I hope you like this video, and I see you on the next one. Bye.